channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what I bought from Zalora this time. So this is the Aldo Crodia quilted crossover bag. So they were having some discounts in Zalora recently, and just so coincidentally I saw they were having 38% off. And what better time to purchase, right? So I saw this, really caught my attention. This comes in black, this beigey peach color, and maroon as well, but this one was on offer. The other two were actually still quite expensive. It's about 300, 400, but this is 200 something. I thought it was going to be really small, but actually it surprised me and it's turned out really huge. Really nice on the outside. It's quilted. I did notice a small little defect here, but it's fine, it's not obvious. And you have the little Aldo sign at the back. So you have two zips here, and then you have a center here where you can actually put some easily accessible things. Like for me, I'm going to be putting my sanitizer, my wet wipes here, not my purse. My purse will be inside. And you have a little secret zip here. And then you have some compartments, some little dividers here that you can put other things. So let me show you the zips. It is nicely covered with the little protection tape though. It's pretty big, you know. I can actually stuff a lot of things in here if I wanted to, because it is easily shaped according to what I need. Second zip, same thing. I can easily shape this bag. Although it's about this much space, I can actually just keep putting things in and expand it a little bit more without spoiling it, of course. Comes with a little nice charm though. It has a little star. It has a nice star here too, and it has a little tag that says Aldo on it. You have a long strap that comes with it, like this. So this strap, it is undetachable. It is forever stuck unless you want to break it off on your own. It's very long actually, so it is a crossbody bag, so it reaches about my hips. So I hope you enjoyed this review, guys, on what the Aldo Crodia quilted bag looks like. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just really excited to be using it because this bag came in about 2 to 3 days. I'm really excited about that, and my deliveries come really fast. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and do stay tuned for my other reviews and unboxing videos. And I hope to see you soon. Bye guys!